Hundreds of residents in the FCT commemorated the UN International Day against drug abuse and illicit drug trafficking with an 8-kilometer walk within the city center. A carnival of some sorts, the road walk began from the Area 10 Sports Complex to the Millennium Park. Donning colorful sports apparel and MTN yellow branded shirts, participants held banners and other signposts drawing attention of members of the public to how destructive drugs can be and the need to stay away from drug abuse. Organizers share more light on the essence of the program.
So for us at the foundation, it's about nation building and securing, being actively involved in creating the future that enables the young ones to thrive. So we focus a lot on youth development, and this led us in 2019 to come up with to birth the ASAP program in 2019 in partnership with the NDLEA and the UNODC.
We found that the issue of drugs is getting to an alarming rate, and the way they are being managed is to get these boys, put them in jail. And most of our people didn't know that a drug issue is more of a health issue than a criminal issue. Although drug will lead some people to commit crimes, even at that, such person, if they are youths, they need to be rehabilitated.
Nigeria has a growing problem of substance abuse. In 2018, around 14.3 million people, 15% of the country's adult population, reported a considerable level of use of psychoactive drug substances. This is much higher than the 2016 global average of 5.6% among adults. This is why stakeholders are calling for all segments of the society to get involved in the fight against drug abuse.
We have been asking for a whole society approach to fighting drug, and that is a demonstration of what we have seen here this morning. Indeed, we want many other organizations like MTN to emulate what MTN has done, so that they join hands with government, not just saying it as government or federal government fight alone. It is a fight for everyone.
It's important that we're all catering to everyone and that no one is left behind, and that in these areas where there's crisis, that people who require support for drug use are able to get the support that they need, especially realizing that some of the risk factors for drug use are actually humanitarian and a global pandemic like what we faced.
Statistics also show that the highest levels of drug use was recorded among people aged between 25 and 39. A vast number of the nation's productive population. It is hoped that such campaigns and programs by MTN and other partners will help tackle the growing scourge.